Each Superba carriage has 4 buttons on the front that allow us to choose to knit normal stockinette or tuck or circular knitting or cancel those buttons. And as you know, they are not supposed to be higgledy-piggledy as mine are.
First, we'll go in the back side. There goes one. There goes one. All right, let me see if I can, yeah, there it canceled. However, it didn't come out. So what we're going to do is go behind. Let's give it a little help there. And get behind the little tab that you see here and push it back out.
So I believe that what happened to begin with was it didn't cancel.
Right. Okay, there you go.
And so I must need a little cleaning and oiling besides unjamming.
Yeah, watch this plate right here. Watch the plate right there. Slide over, and it's supposed to catch the tang that we're working with here. So it looks to me like this plate does need a little bit of lubrication. Cancel button says it was canceling, and it is moving this plate.
But it's fibbing. The button's not getting all the way back to rest position.
So let's lubricate these buttons. See, the slides are here.
Jack is using ballistol oil here, which we find works the best for us on Superbas. It's not what we use on Japanese machines.
Got a little bit of junk there, so I'm just going to clean it by wiggling the tip around. Okay, now we're getting some. And again, you can see there's a little bit of material under there, so we're going to wash it away with the, there you go. Yeah, you have to pick it up to let these little circular followers, I'll do it again. See, if I push that in, see that little follower is spring loaded, but it's held in this position it's in underneath when we're sitting on the pig mat.
It's supposed to have spacing under it to operate, and the carriage provides that when it's assembled. Right. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct. And I'm going to get it out of the way and lubricate under it just a little bit. Same thing with this one. See, look, I don't know if the camera can see. Right there, there's a little bit of wear pattern and a little bit of discoloration. So that's why I'm working the oil in there. Okay, you seem to be working just fine. And you can see where I put the oil back here. I put the oil right behind the keys on that slide. You can hear me tapping the slide that's in there. I'll try to turn it up a little bit and see if the camera can see it. Mm-hmm. All right, and so that's not it, this one. You can see the oil. You can't see it on this side, which is why I put it on from here, but you can see where it's now working its way into that slide. So let's flip it over. I'm seeing a little bit of fuzz right underneath that flipper. And I'll get some needle nose or tweezers or something and try to pick it out. Let me try the other one. That's both of them. I don't see anything under there, but we'll lubricate them. Let's get our slide lubricated. This is what cancels the...
And I think that was my first problem, is the button moved, but it failed to cause the slide to cancel.
Right.
I do believe the jam was a result of me not knowing that and making another selection while one was already engaged.
Right. Okay, now we got to make sure that's nice and smooth.
It's moving very freely now.
Okay. Okay, there we go. And this comes up, so I'm going to, in the raised position, put a little bit of oil around the post that it comes up and down on. And then while we're doing the rest of this, it'll soak around that post. See, it shouldn't take much pressure to get that plate to slide far enough to cancel that out.